Hello guys, yesterday I was asked one of my viewers who saw my previous video about removing the bushings from the rear control arms or any other rear suspension part which is installed on Mercedes W210. He asked me once again how to install the bushing into the arm. Is the process vice versa? And now I am motivated to show you how I am going to install this bushing into its place and attach it to the arm. Guys, it is very important to use some custom-made puller. Here you can see it. And it is very important to use high strength threaded steel here. Otherwise you will bend the steel and you will not get the job done proper way. So 26 millimeter half-inch socket will be enough to press out and press in every rear suspension arm bushing on W210. I cannot say this about other Mercedes cars, but I think the Mercedes of that era are sharing the same parts. So let's now attach the socket to the shaft, then gather the construction and start pressing in the bushing. Guys, once again, it is very important that the socket which is met with the bushing is symmetrical. This is the right way. You have to push the bushing into the arm. So hold the one nut with the regular wrench and then start to tighten the second nut with the ratcheting wrench. And here you can see, guys, I am not using here any lubricant or other stuff. The process is being to be started. Now I will remove this nut and make sure that the socket meets with the bushing with the right way, not angle and other issues here are found. Once again, everything here is symmetrical, and now finally I will start to put the bushing into its place. Once again, it is very easy if you use some basic tools and be patient here. So very slowly, and here you can see that bushing is pushed into the arm. Then you can adjust the bushing not to put it way far from the knuckle itself, or to reach the attachment and the final result which was from the factory. Everything is doable here, and you can make it very easy. So now the bushing is pressed in. Let's remove the puller and see how it looks. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was enough informational. Thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and catch you in the next episode. Thank you for watching and goodbye.